Welcome! In today's video, we'll walk through how to enable sync contacts on Dropbox so you can easily manage and access your contacts across your devices. This updated guide makes it super quick and simple to get everything connected in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open your Dropbox app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account where you want your contacts to be synced. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner or the bottom navigation bar, depending on your device, and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the Dropbox section. This is where you'll see several options for what Dropbox can access and sync from your device. Take your time to locate the one labeled Sync Contacts. Next, toggle on the Sync Contacts switch. When you turn this on for the first time, your device may show a prompt asking for permission to allow Dropbox to access your contacts. This step is important. It ensures Dropbox can read and store the contact information safely and securely in your account. Go ahead and confirm any prompts that appear. Once you give access, Dropbox will automatically start syncing your contacts in the background. You don't need to do anything else. The process only takes a moment, depending on how many contacts you have. When the sync is complete, all your contacts are securely saved in Dropbox, ready to be accessed from any sync device. This means you'll have a reliable backup and can easily restore your contacts if you ever change devices or reinstall your app. That's it. You've now successfully enabled contact syncing in Dropbox. It's a small step that makes a big difference when it comes to keeping your data safe and accessible wherever you go. Thanks for watching.